Wemo Light Switch, Wi-Fi enabled, works with Alexa and the Google Assistant. F7C030fc. Works with Alexa for voice control, Alexa device sold separately. Wemo Light Switch seamlessly replaces your old wall light switch. Control your lights from Wemo Light Switch on the wall, the Wemo app, and even your voice with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Set schedules and timers. Set porch light to turn on at sunset. Schedule ceiling fans to turn before you arrive home. Sync on and off times to sunrise and sunset, and more. Works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Pair Wemo Light Switch with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant built-in devices like Google Home to turn your lights on or off with just the power of your voice. Randomize lights to protect your home. Enable away mode when you're away, and Wemo will turn lights on and off randomly. Electrical ration, 120V 15A 60 Hz 1800 watts. Note, works with any one-way connection light switch, not compatible with three-way, and requires a neutral wire. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.